Hello everyone. I know you are eagerly waiting for the second stage of the contest. So here I am with this video where I'll explain everything about the second stage. The second stage includes a lot of happiness challenges. It's going to be extremely exciting and fun as we go along. First thing is that I'll be asking you a few questions in this video. You have to give the answers in the comment section, and thereafter there is a task which you have to complete, and that's about it. You are done, and this can be done over the period of next 3 days, which is till 1st of March. So on 1st of March, we will bring the third stage, the third level of the competition, and I hope you are all excited. So let me start straight away with the questions. So there are a couple of questions. First question is, give me 4 alternative words for happiness. Give me 4 alternative words for happiness. That is the first question. Now the second question is, I'm going to say a statement and you have to say whether it's true or false. You are going to be happy forever if you win a big lottery, say 1 crore rupees. So that is statement 1. Statement 2. If you meet an accident and you are grievously injured to the extent that you lose movement of your limbs, you become paralytic, that is going to make you sad forever. Now the third question is extremely exciting. It says that I'm going to give you a situation and you have to tell me what would have happened in that situation. Now here we are talking about Harvard or Stanford graduates and MBA people, now no less than that, and they are very financially prudent people. Now it is an actual study, so I'll ask you the question what happens and you have to tell me what you think would have happened. Now in this study, as these bright kids graduated from their MBA, they were offered many kinds of jobs, and they were given an option that you will get, let us say you'll get $50,000 and everybody else in that company is going to get $30,000, and the option 2 was you will get $100,000 and everybody else in the company will get $200,000. So what do you think these Harvard and Stanford students who are MBAs chose? Which option did they choose? All the questions I'm asking are coming in the scroll also, so you can take a look and then give your answer. Now these are the 3 questions. Now I come to the task. The task is super exciting. You have to send me a video of yours, say about 20-25 seconds at the most, in which you are expressing happiness by this much area of your body and without any words. So you have to make that expression and capture it on the video and send it to us. The best expressions will be included in a happiness video we are doing. And in case you don't want your video to be included for public, then when you make the entry, please mention that not for including in the video. So the idea is that you get creative and it could be smile, grin, laughter, giggle, whatever, and try to say it as clearly in the video without words that it denotes extreme happiness. So these are the 3 tasks. You can send me the videos on makehappyfoundations@gmail.com. makehappyfoundations@gmail.com, and you need to like and subscribe to this channel to get on with the contest. And here I am saying bye, but then do take part in the contest. We are going to give away amazing gift vouchers of ₹1,000 each to the 3 winners, people who complete all the 5 levels and come out as winners. Our jury will be deciding on various factors, and we will let you know as we go along, and there will be more surprise side contests going on every day, which will win you amazing vouchers for 200 rupees or sometimes even 300 rupees. So keep at it. Keep following my Twitter handle, which is Twitter @SmileySouls, because that is where all the action is happening. And give me a lot of likes, retweets. Just make it happen. Make it happening, this contest. Thank you. This is a coach Anupma saying bye-bye.